Good morning. Today's the day we are heading to Cleetus and Cars. Steve and Debbie there. Chad and Brandon there, loaded. Got the wife in there. Got the X5 completely loaded up. We got Klaus strapped down, ready to go. We got my mom and grandparents. They're in there following us. We got Mike and Laura back here. I'll edit that. Shane is coming just a little bit later today. He had to work, but we got everything loaded up. We're gonna go. Next stop, we'll let you take a guess what the next stop's gonna be. We're heading west. All right, guys, we made it to our first stop, and the first stop is Portillo's. All of you that guessed right, you get a free decal. Just tell me and I'll send you one. We got all the cars there. Ethan, Medicine to Buick, X5. We got everyone here. Everyone's got nice hidden Motorsports decals, except for Mike. He thinks he's too cool to have a decal there. He's so dumb. But anyways, we're gonna go head inside, have a beer, and have some delicious Portillos.
The Portillo family would like to wish Carol a happy birthday.
Oh, it's Carol's birthday! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Carol. Happy birthday to you. All right, done with Portillo's. Ate too much as always. Now we feel miserable. Everyone's walking out. Got the cars. We did a full check on Klaus. He's looking good. So the next time you see us, we should be pulling into the B&B. We made it. We're at our B&B right now. This is going to be our home for the next 2 days. Let me show you how close we are to the track. See those cars going across the street down there? And if you see that flag, I don't know if you can, about a quarter mile, that is the main road. And like where that truck just turned in, that is the drag strip. It is literally there. We are a quarter mile basically on top of the drag strip, so that's gonna be awesome. Everything made it fairly well. It's pretty good. We are unloading, closing everything.
Gapped, right?
No, they're not already gapped. They need to be to O2. Right. So what we're doing right now is changing the spark plugs.
Oh, great. Now if he breaks tomorrow, it's going to be my fault.
Oh, definitely. Everything is always Chad's fault.
I'll kill you.
I love you, Chad. You're my favorite.
Of course I am. I'm the only one working right now.
I know.
I better stop dropping the F-bomb on the internet.
Well, you are
Carl,
supposed to be drinking.
duck noise these out.
I will.
I tried that too, but there you go.
Klaus to the
Professional.
That had me worried. Just make sure we do not
Steve, you
litter
want to
anywhere.
All right.
Anything
All right.
that goes bad, it's Chad's fault.
All right, two.
To that I say, all right, all right, all right.
This is how you know what a half an UGG is right here. You get it tight and you make this face. Done. Maybe a little. Yeah. Right there.
I like it.
It's good.
I'm definitely. What's up, guys? We made it. We are at the track. It was about a mile from the house. Look at this. We're right here at the track right now. Here it is. It's beautiful. We can't get in because we're not super cool. I guess we're only mildly semi-cool. So we're stuck here at this gate. But that's what we have right now. We're gonna go have some fun.
It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
Out cruising. Klaus is running decent-ish. Still having some clutch issue that I don't really like. So if we're slow tomorrow at the track, forgive us.
We ain't
Clutches.
coming to race, we're coming to make an appearance.
Yeah, that's true. We got the grocery getter. We have our pops in the back seat right now. We're gonna have a few pops tonight, and we think we have those 36. We have like over 100 inches of pizza.
I'll give you 100 inches.
That's what she said.
So we got 100 and some inches of pizza and like 50 or 60 wings for all of us. So we're gonna head right back to our other B&B because we had to get 2 of them, and because their B&B is a lot bigger than ours that's right next to the track. So we're gonna go ahead and get going.
What up, guys? It's your hot boy here. We're about to do hot boy stuff. We got Shane back there, we got Ethan back there, we got Brandon back there, we got Carl over here, we got Steve over there. Ah! Beer! I think they're on. Are they on white right now?